now, you know, look at here. There are lists of accounts. This is called chart of account. So you would just select the ones that's there, or if you want to create new ones, then you go to the chart of account and then create new accounts. Since we know the business, that the industry that the client's working on, when we don't know what the transaction is about, then that's when we Google it and see why they have made this kind of transaction. So I've selected this example. It said APO, and I was like, what is this transaction? So I've Googled it and it says Australian Packaging Covenant. So of course this account will go somewhere like packaging. Now another one, IINet. This sounds like some kind of internet, doesn't it? Yeah, so you put it in the internet account. So this is basically just finding the transaction and matching this to the right account. But when you're certain that this company is always gonna be on, let's say for this one, Clark Robber, when we always know that this is gonna be under purchase one account, then we will set up a rule, like an algorithm, where every time that transaction happens, this will automatically go to that account. So we don't have to always physically manually allocate accounts. So if we have invoices, then we match the existing invoices to the correct transaction. So in here you open the match transactions tab there, and then you look at the date and try to match the closest one and see if that sounds reasonable. The amount matches and the date is reasonably similar. That's how you know that you have matched the invoice. That's the basic, like how you start this job. Payroll, this is to do with employees. So this is where you keep all the records for your employees. There's TFN, like how much you pay them, how much you pay the super, yeah, leave pay history, because it's all linked. So yeah, PAYG payment and all that kind of stuff. So I have come to the most important step. Not the most important, it's the final step of the beginning. This is the reports. So remember, our main purpose was to create balance sheet, income statements and all that. So this is where you find your reports like those. Like this one, balance sheet, it has assets, liabilities, equity. There's trial balance, this is important as well. This shows you like the debits and credit sides. So it dissects into two sides. Yeah, something like this. So if there are transactions listed, there's account name on this side, and then there's some debits and credits, and then you can see the balance, ending balance for this year. So there's GST report, which has a blank page. You gotta check if your company is GST registered. You can go to ABN lookup. Just go to ABN lookup and write down your ABN, and then it would say GST registered or not. So that's how you check. That's the basic way, like easiest way to check. Which one's this? This is general ledger. This shows you the account and the transactions behind. A company with like large transactions, like heavy volume of transactions, this is gonna be a pain in the ass, but if there's bulk of it, then it's good. Please let me know what I can do better next time, because this is my first time trying to teach accounting for yeah, so shout out, should I name that? But anyways, yeah, hope you enjoyed. Thanks, and like and subscribe, bitches. Bye.